How to start investing with little or no money. It is a common assumption that you must have loads of money to start investing. But that is far from the truth, as you can start investing with as little as $100. For a long time, investing has been considered a thing for big bankers who handle big money regularly. Fortunately, things have changed and investing has taken a new direction. Investments have become accessible to all kinds of people depending on their bank account. When big investors talk about their investment journey, they always state that they always start from somewhere. Therefore, if you are a beginning investor, starting small may be a good practice. When discussing the fiscal value of little money, everyone has their definitions. For this reason, we must discuss the various ways of investing small in an inclusive budget range. Over time, your investments will be earning you some high-value profits. Do not be surprised by how easy it gets along the way. With a feasible strategy, starting to invest with small amounts will be an advantage to you, instead of an uphill task as you would expect. Before head into the main topic of discussion, get equipped with the investment strategies outlined below. Strategies to guide you in investing small. When deciding to invest, you already know what an investment is and how you can manage greater returns on your investments. Whether it is a small or big investment, the basic strategies are not any different. The investment value is always the primary concern. You might need first to calculate the worth of your anticipated investment. Analyze the value, the price, and then you will be a step ahead in your investment journey. The following factors come into play when considering a small investment strategy. Determine the best investment for your budget. Plenty of investment opportunities await you, but not all of them will fit your small budget. For instance, you cannot get into real estate investments with $500. Even though this amount is considered for investing in bonds and exchange-traded funds, it does not give you the go-ahead to do it. Therefore, if you have to invest your little money, the stock exchange is the best place to start. Overcome the fear of investing in stocks. Investing in the stock market sounds risky and scary if you are not aware of what you are doing. But one rule that stands in the world of business is that you invest in markets you understand. You can get over the stock market fear by learning more about how it is done and its risks. This will make you understand what your investments are and how to manage the wavy moments. When you put your hard-earned money in investments you do not understand, you are speculation and not investing. However, this does not make your choice of the market any different from gambling. Therefore, it would help to get a deep understanding of investing instead of relying on speculations. Real stock investing is when you buy profitable businesses at a lower price with the promise of earning you better returns. By doing this, you will never be bothered by the fear of making your first investment. How to start investing. Understand how your small investment will pay off in the long run. Just start. It cannot be stressed enough how these two words are crucial for anyone who wants to invest. It is more practical starting on low investment amounts as you work your way up, instead of missing out on huge returns and the control of compound interests. Each day you go without investing, you are missing out on good compounding interest. Compound interest will grow your money and invest the profits at the same time. Now that you are equipped with strategies to guide you in your investing journey, you should look into the various ways to start investing with little or no money. Crowdfunding for real estate investments. It is possible to put your money in real estate as low as $500. This works by teaming up with other interested investors in the real estate market and pooling your money to buy real estate. This venture makes you a partial owner of the purchased property, and you are eligible to earn from all returns from the units. Such investments are believed to have an average return of more than 11% yearly, attributed to the different technological systems. The system can identify real estate projects that are highly profitable based on your market goals. Apart from selecting the best projects to invest in, you can also choose the best crowd to team up with. Investing in fractional shares. Many verified investment applications do not charge any fees or commissions. Such apps are available to download for Android and iOS devices. They are recommended because you can create an account and make your first investment in the stocks market at that moment. However, even if your budget is only $1, some of these platforms do not have a minimum threshold for opening an account or investing in fractional stocks shares. You can therefore invest in big companies, even if buying entire stocks is impossible. You also have an option of public themes, where you place your money in companies you are sure will become big. These companies range from tech firms or environmentally conscious companies. You get your investments lining up with your personal beliefs. Opening a savings account with high yields. In the financial market, words such as index funds and the stock market will ward off many potential investors who think they would require some educational background in finance to make viable investments. However, the reality is that putting your money in a savings account with good yields can be considered a sane investment. The only issue is finding the most accessible platform to invest in. Investments and savings are inseparable because they both depend on each other. You can start this by saving up your daily purchases loose change and turning it into a considerable amount. Then, when you calculate your returns using a 1% interest rate, you will realize that your slow investment is making something from compound interests. Investing through robo-advisors. You will need a significant amount of money to hire a financial advisor or to get a discount broker to open a brokerage account for you. This is where robo-investors come in, and these are platforms offering professional portfolio management at very low fees. First, you will be required to fill a questionnaire to determine your risk tolerance. From this evaluation, a personalized portfolio is created, and you get allocated various exchange-traded funds. With the allocation, you are only responsible for funding your respective account. You do not have to go through the hassle of selecting a financially feasible investment or balancing your existing investments. With an account, you can contribute from as low as $100 with an account maintenance fee of 0.35% charged from your account balance. This only applies to accounts with less than $10,000. Managing your existing debts. You should first settle your debts because you should not invest in debts, especially for unsecured debts. The other reason is that clearing debts are the most viable way to get a guaranteed return on investment for your money. This makes more sense when you have a double-digit interest rate. If you took a debt at a higher interest rate, you might need to get an additional loan with a significantly lower interest rate to pay off the high interest rate with the money. There are mobile applications that allow you to compare all loan options within seconds. The loans range from savings accounts, refinancing student loans, and personal loans. Retirement plans sponsored by your employer. This is the simplest way to invest little money, or if you do not have money to invest. This is because your investments are deducted from your payroll, and you are the one to determine the cut percentage. This money will then be held under your retirement plan. You can decide whether to invest from 1% to 20% or more depending on the terms set by your employer. Using this formula, you do not need a large amount to invest. Instead, you can make small deposits to your account after every paycheck and invest in any good venture. The added advantage of retirement plans is the tax benefits. You will not have any income tax deductions from your money until the day you choose to withdraw your money. Personal retirement plan. If you cannot have an employer-sponsored retirement plan, you have the option of setting up a personal retirement plan. The only qualification needed is having an income. The most common plans are the Roth IRA or the traditional IRA. Like the retirement plans sponsored by an employer, your financial returns will not be subjected to any tax deductions until you start withdrawing your retirement funds. All contributions to traditional IRA plans will be taxed, while contributions to Roth IRA do not get tax deductions. However, your withdrawals will not be taxed, provided you are 59 1/2 when making withdrawals and your plan has been active for not less than 5 years. These plans can additionally be held in brokerage accounts, giving you unlimited investment opportunities. Peer-to-peer lending clubs. If you have any money you are not using, you can lend it to someone as an investment. The risk involved in this kind of investment is that you are unaware that the borrower will pay the loan with the respective interest. To minimize the risks, you can break down your capital and lend out installments of $25 up to $100 to many people. This is the most practical way of managing peer-to-peer lending. Online platforms such as Lending Club allow borrowers to come and get loans, and investors, lenders, give the cash. If the borrowers are trustworthy, then you can get some huge returns on your money. Before investing, you will need to have some assets for certification. Investing in treasury securities. If you want a convenient way to invest, you can invest in treasury bonds. Bonds are an excellent way to protect your finances from the ups and downs of the market. These securities are debt commitments offered by the Treasury Department to manage the national debt. The maturity period of such investments ranges from as low as 30 days up to 30 years or more. In addition, the government provides a portal where you can buy bonds from as low as $100. The portal also allows you to sell your existing securities, and you do not get any penalties for early withdrawals. Low investment mutual funds and ETFs. Various mutual funds have different set minimum investment plans. Many of these do not need you to have thousands of dollars to start investing. You will therefore find a platform that allows you to invest with the lowest income possible. A good example is the Schwab Total Market Index that enables you to invest $100 across different funds from $1,000. If you can access any mutual fund family and selected brokerage firms, you can get funds that allow minimum deposits of less than $1,000. Index funds may be the best option because they present to you the best prospects in the market. Final word. In the current age, investing has taken a different direction, and the market is more inclusive than before. So even with your $5, you can start to invest and grow your financial assets. The truth about investments is that it is risky, and this is true when you are buying securities. But this is what makes investments worth it. With the investment strategies mentioned above, you will always be prepared for emergencies, and you will end up retiring early after achieving your financial freedom. Do not wait until you have saved thousands of dollars to start investing. Instead, start small and monitor your growth and observe the accumulation of wealth over time. Do not forget to check out mobile apps that help people invest. You can even link all your investment accounts and monitor every step you make financially. But never forget the most crucial thing about investment. Just start.